Hello dear my friends, this is Yoshi in Japan. It's been a while. I hope all of you are doing fine and great. It is July 6, 2016, so to speak. The former half of this year has already passed, and wow, time flies. And time flies means I am getting older day by day. But however, I would like to take my aging process as an opportunity for accumulating new knowledge and experience, and at the same time an opportunity for further growth and development. Anyway, I would like to inform you my recent update in this video today. Since the previous video I uploaded in this April, what I was doing until now was a preparation for an exam. The exam I took this time is this exam. Actually, I got this certificate recently. Can you see this? This is physical activity in public health specialist exam, and this is a joint project by American College of Sport Medicine (ACSM) and NPAS. Of course, ACSM is a household name in the fitness industry. However, many of you are not familiar with this organization. NPAS is a kind of non-profit organization for dissemination of useful information about public health and the importance of physical activity. And the reason why I took this examination this time is, currently in Japan, around 25% of population are 65 years old or older. And my current customer base are also middle-aged population and the elderly population in Japan, such as fall down prevention or metabolic syndrome prevention. So from a narrow perspective, what I am doing every day is a kind of exercise instruction. However, from a wider perspective, what I am doing currently is a kind of promotion of public health, I think. So in order to increase my understanding and knowledge about public health promotion, I took this examination this time. And through this exam program, I learned a lot of things, such as the importance of partnership with governmental organization that is closely related to public health, and how to evaluate public health initiatives and like that. And in other words, this program is exam or certification for public health researchers rather than exam program for entry level personal trainers. So if you are interested in public health research, I would recommend this exam program. Anyway, these days the climate getting hotter and hotter day by day, especially due to global warming. So everyone, please take care of your health. And as you can see, I am doing fine as ever. Thank you very much. So have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye bye from Yoshi in Japan.